Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix services not available issue on your TikTok account. So guys, if you're unable to use some services on your TikTok account and you are facing this issue, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all go back to your home screen and now you have to simply open your TikTok and then tap on your profile and then tap on three lines button and then tap on settings and privacy and then tap on account, and from here tap on account information, and from here you have to simply change your country region from here. So guys, here you can see this, simply tap on account region and change your country or region where the services are available. So guys, select that country and after this go back and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then you have to simply go back to your home screen and then you have to simply open settings in your device and then tap on general, tap on iPhone storage and then open your TikTok and offload your TikTok app for one time, and after this go back and then you have to open your app store and search here for TikTok. And you have to simply download and install the latest version of TikTok app in your device. So guys, simply do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then you have to simply drag down your control center and make sure that your internet connection is working properly. So guys, do this, and after this you have to open your TikTok account again, and after this you have to simply sign out your TikTok account from your device for one time. So I simply log out your TikTok account from your device for one time, and after this log in again your TikTok account on your device. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then you have to simply contact the TikTok support team for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.